In this video, we will guide how to add and forward DID in ICTPbx. First, log in to ICTPbx portal. Select the main menu routing and then click on the sub-menu DID numbers. Click on the Add DID button. Enter the DID number and title and click on Submit button to save it. After saving the DID, click on the forward icon from the operation menu and you will be redirected to the forward page. Select the service from the drop-down menu. Then select the desired thing on the basis of selected service and click on Submit button to save it.